Hello everyone and welcome back to Sarmom's YouTube channel. My name is Rasmus and today we are talking about tattoos and their meanings. In today's video I'm going to talk about 10 designs, 10 topics that has a meaning. However, it's very important to mention that not all tattoos necessarily needs to have a meaning, and not all of these symbols we talk about today has that specific meaning for everyone that gets it. Made up example, an arrow. An arrow has a symbol of strength, but someone gets an arrow because it's pointing in whatever direction, because that direction means something for them, not necessarily something about strength. Let's jump into it. The first one we're talking about today is the all-seeing eye. An all-seeing eye has been seen through thousands of years, through various histories, religions. The symbol of the all-seeing eye in common means it's something about gods. Whatever God, I don't know. It's up to you to define what God you believe in, if you believe in one. The all-seeing eye shows that the gods are watching us and that the gods are seeing everything we do. However, if I were to get an all-seeing eye, it wouldn't have anything to do with that. For me, I would probably get an all-seeing eye to tell myself to remember to look out for everything in life. So this is a perfect example of how one symbol has a meaning in the broader wisdom or knowledge, but for the specific individual that gets the tattoo, it can mean something else, if it even needs a meaning. I have a good friend who has two all-seeing eyes, one what is called like behind each kneecap. I don't think it means anything to him except for the fact that it looks super fucking cool. The all-seeing eye can also prove wisdom, or it has been used to show power and control. Second one is a very popular one, and one that you definitely have a friend that has one of these. It's the anchor. An anchor which comes back from the early stages of the modern tattoos, when the traditional, old school, or whatever we call it today, started to pick up and tattoos became not really mainstream, but when a certain part of normal people started getting tattoos. I know several people that has an anchor tattooed on them. I have, I think, 3 myself as parts of other tattoos and as part of my Saruman tattoo on my leg. The anchor is a motif that started out when the modern tattoo started, when the sailors started to get tattooed. The anchor typically symbols strength, stability and loyalty, and it has also been used to symbolize keeping a strong faith and also the power to stay grounded. Third one, angels. Angels has also been seen in so many variations in tattoos and with so many different meanings. Typically, the angel has a religious meaning symbol. Angels can be guardian angels that protects against evil. It can be to show and prove the love of a lost one. And it can also be a symbol of faith. Fourth one, anime/manga tattoos. Anime is a Japanese cinematic art form, and the popularity of anime has gone through the roof for the last many years in modern pop culture. Some of the most famous ones: Dragon Ball Z, One Piece, Naruto. People that get anime tattoos often get them to show some kind of affection and love towards their favorite character or their favorite show. The animation style, if you ask me, is super cool, and it appeals to people that get these tattoos often as kind of a statement. Fun fact is that it's not anime, but cartoonish. I have my favorite superhero tattooed in animation style. Boom, here's the bad boy, Lego Batman. Number 5, arrows. Even though an arrow is a super simple motif, it's still a very powerful one. For some people, the arrow is a part of their culture and it symbols protection and power. 2 crossed arrows has a symbol of an alliance, friendship, of something stronger, whereas a broken arrow that is broken into 2 pieces shows peace. In some other cultures, the arrow means passion, affection, and love. And as mentioned in the beginning, it can also symbol strength and the desire to find your own way in life. Number 6, bat tattoos. And not bad, but bat. And I know, you know, that I could easily say something about COVID-19. I'm not gonna do it, but bat tattoos has a meaning, and bat tattoos has been a thing for many years. The bat is one of the most misrepresented animals in the animal kingdom, and it's often been associated with witches, demons, and vampires. However, the symbol of the bat is often good stuff. It's a symbol of wealth, good fortune, long life, and prosperity. In some cultures, it's considered to be the soul of the dead. Number 7, bear tattoos. The myth surrounding bears goes way back, and it often tells stories and tales about the strength of the bear and about the great courage it takes human beings and mankind to fight a bear. It symbols strength and fury, and the bear is a keeper of dreams. Lastly, in some cultures, the bear is known to be the protector. Number 8, bee tattoos. Bees in general are hard workers and has a pretty good reputation. However, most people don't want to meet them and encounter them in the wild. Bees in tattoos are often a symbol of hard work, resilience, and willpower. Others see the bees as a symbol of equivalence and intelligence. Number 9, bird tattoos. Birds are one of the most popular and common tattoo symbols or animals that get portrayed in tattoos. Reasons for that could be that there are so many sizes, shapes, colors, different birds, and they appeal to a lot of people. The bird often symbolizes freedom, courage, and traveling. You know, it's a good way to show that you love exploring. It can also mean liberation from a traumatic experience in life or overcoming a hard situation. Number 10, bulldogs. The bulldog often symbols pride and heritage, and in the UK, the bulldog often has an association with the great Winston Churchill. The bulldog also has ties to the American, the US military, and the bulldog is often used as a mascot in sports teams. That's it. These were the 10 topics, the 10 designs and symbols for today. If you want us to walk through other designs, other symbols and their meanings, please drop them below in the comment section. Share this with your friend. Remember to ring the button, the bell, wherever it is. And thank you for watching. Adios.